Now, if you want your jazz piano playing to sound more sophisticated, there is one aspect that will give you instant results, and that is chord voicings. I consider chord voicings to be the quickest and easiest way to make yourself sound much more sophisticated. So the wonderful thing about chord voicings is that they're easy to play. Technically, it's not hard to play 4 notes, 5 notes, 6 notes at the same time. That's what a chord voicing is. So that's why chord voicings are the quickest way for you to start sounding sophisticated. If you just learn a handful of chord voicings, you can then apply those to every single song in your repertoire. So, to help you with chord voicings, I filmed a complete course called Chord Voicing Intensive. And I'm not just going to teach you a series of chord voicings, I'm actually going to show you when and why to play each of these chord voicings. So I'm going to show you my melody matching technique, which works for any song, and it tells you which chord voicing to play. So I'll show you when to use shell voicings, when to use rootless chord voicings, when to use upper structures, open voicings, the Kenny Barron voicing, and more. Now we'll also do chord voicing case studies where we go through real jazz songs chord by chord and we'll figure out the chord voicings together. Songs include Girl from Ipanema, Misty, and Moon River. Now this course is usually only available as part of the Jazz Tutorial course membership. However, for this week only, I'm making it available on its own. That means that you can purchase this course and keep it, and this is only available through this page. Now, as always, you have my 90-day money-back guarantee, so if for any reason this training is not right for you, just email me and we will fully refund your purchase. So in this course, I've packed in years of jazz piano education into concise video lessons, and you can race through this at light speed in the next few weeks. So if this sounds good to you, just scroll down this page, click the button, and I will see you in lesson 1.